Real estate wholesaling is a strategy where a wholesaler finds a distressed property and puts it under contract with the seller at a below-market price. The wholesaler then assigns this contract to an end buyer, typically another investor or rehabber, for a higher price, profiting from the difference without ever purchasing the property. In this video, we are going to talk about real estate wholesaling. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Real estate wholesaling has become one of the most talked about strategies for people who want to break into property investing without needing a huge amount of capital. Unlike traditional real estate investing, which often requires purchasing a property, making renovations, and then selling it for a profit, wholesaling allows individuals to act as middlemen in property transactions. The idea is simple yet powerful. A wholesaler finds a property that is being sold below market value, negotiates a contract with the seller, and then assigns or sells that contract to another buyer, usually an investor, for a fee. This process creates opportunities for fast profits without the risks and responsibilities of owning the property. At its core, real estate wholesaling thrives on the principle of finding good deals. Sellers, particularly motivated ones, often want to get rid of their property quickly due to circumstances such as financial strain, foreclosure, inheritance, or relocation. They may be willing to accept a lower price in exchange for speed and certainty. On the other side of the transaction are real estate investors who are always searching for properties they can flip, rent, or add to their portfolios. The wholesaler connects these two parties, creating a win-win situation. The seller gets a quick sale, the buyer gets a good deal, and the wholesaler earns a fee for bringing them together. One of the reasons wholesaling attracts so many newcomers is that it requires relatively little upfront capital compared to other real estate strategies. Instead of needing to qualify for a mortgage, invest in renovations, or hold a property while paying taxes and maintenance costs, a wholesaler primarily invests time, effort, and negotiation skills. In many cases, wholesalers use contract assignments, meaning they never actually take ownership of the property. They simply transfer their rights to the purchase agreement to the end buyer. The fee for this assignment, sometimes referred to as a wholesale fee, becomes their profit. Depending on the market and the deal, this fee can range from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands. While wholesaling sounds straightforward, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success depends on knowledge, networking, and persistence. The first step is building an understanding of the local real estate market. A wholesaler must be able to recognize undervalued properties, estimate repair costs, and calculate what price point will make sense for an investor. Without this knowledge, it is easy to overpay for a property or struggle to find a buyer willing to take it. Many successful wholesalers spend months or even years studying their markets, driving through neighborhoods, and analyzing comparable sales before they begin making significant profits. Marketing also plays a huge role in wholesaling. Since the business relies on finding motivated sellers, wholesalers must know how to reach them. This can involve direct mail campaigns, cold calling, networking with real estate agents, attending foreclosure auctions, or even using online advertising. Some wholesalers drive through neighborhoods looking for distressed properties, often called driving for dollars. Once contact is made, strong communication and negotiation skills are essential. Sellers must feel that the wholesaler understands their needs and is offering a fair solution. Establishing trust quickly is key to securing contracts before other investors step in. On the buyer's side, wholesalers need to cultivate relationships with a network of investors who are actively looking for properties. These cash buyers are the lifeblood of wholesaling. Having a ready list of buyers ensures that contracts can be assigned quickly, which is crucial since most wholesale agreements are time-sensitive. A wholesaler who builds credibility with investors by consistently bringing them profitable deals will develop a reputation that makes future transactions easier. Over time, this network becomes a major asset, as repeat buyers can provide steady business. Despite its advantages, wholesaling comes with challenges. One of the biggest is legal and regulatory compliance. Real estate laws vary from state to state, and in some areas, wholesaling is closely regulated or requires a real estate license. Wholesalers must be careful to structure their contracts correctly and operate within the bounds of the law. This means learning the difference between assignments, double closings, and novations, and knowing when to seek legal guidance. Those who fail to respect the legal side of the business can face fines, lawsuits, or reputational damage. Another challenge is competition. As wholesaling has become more popular, many markets are flooded with wholesalers all trying to find deals. This means standing out is crucial. Building a reputation for honesty, reliability, and professionalism can make a wholesaler more appealing to both sellers and buyers. Many successful wholesalers emphasize providing real value to sellers, offering solutions instead of just lowball offers. Similarly, they strive to bring investors deals that genuinely meet their profit criteria, rather than wasting time with contracts that don't add up. The financial side of wholesaling can also be unpredictable, especially in the beginning. Unlike a salaried job, wholesaling income depends on closing deals, and those deals can take time to find and complete. Many new wholesalers struggle with dry periods where no contracts close, followed by periods of success. Managing cash flow and staying persistent during lean times is part of the entrepreneurial journey. However, for those who remain consistent, wholesaling can become highly lucrative. Some wholesalers build teams and systems that allow them to close multiple deals each month, generating 6 or even 7-figure incomes. Technology has made wholesaling more accessible than ever. Online platforms and software can help wholesalers find motivated sellers, analyze deals, and connect with buyers more efficiently. Customer relationship management systems allow for better tracking of leads, while social media provides powerful tools for networking. Virtual wholesaling, where deals are done in markets outside of the wholesaler's physical location, has also gained popularity. By leveraging digital tools, a wholesaler in one state can identify and contract properties in another, expanding their opportunities far beyond local boundaries. Wholesaling also offers a gateway into broader real estate investing. Many successful investors start as wholesalers, learning how to analyze deals, negotiate contracts, and build relationships. Over time, some transition into rehabbing properties, building rental portfolios, or even developing real estate. The skills gained through wholesaling, market analysis, negotiation, marketing, and networking are foundational for virtually every area of real estate. For those with bigger ambitions, wholesaling provides both income and education that can be leveraged into long-term wealth-building strategies. The human side of wholesaling is often overlooked, but deserves attention. At the heart of every deal is a seller who may be facing challenges or hardships. Treating sellers with empathy and respect not only makes the process smoother, but also creates a sense of purpose in the business. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.